SAP evolution of SAP. SAP is the world leader in enterprise applications in terms of software and software-related service revenue. Based on market capitalization, it is the world's third largest independent software manufacturer supporting all sizes of industries, helping them to operate profitably, grow sustainably, and stay ahead of the competition in the market. SAP at a glance. SAP is known worldwide for its unique innovations that help the customers run their business with high efficiency. Some of its facts and figures stand as follows. More than 263,000 customers in 188 countries. More than 68,800 employees in more than 130 countries. Annual revenue, IFRS, of 1,682 billion euros. Listed under the symbol SAP on stock exchanges, including the Frankfurt Exchange and NYSE. ISO certificates. SAP Development, ISO 9001, 2008 certificate. SAP Active Global Support, ISO 9001, 2008 certificate. SAP Active Global Support, ISO 27001, 2005 certificate. Industries and Solution. Industries. Aerospace and Defense. Automotive. Banking. Chemicals. Consumer products. Defense and security. Engineering, construction and operations. Healthcare. Higher education and research. High-tech. Industrial machinery, components. Insurance. Life sciences. Media. Mill products. Mining. Oil and gas. Professional services. Public sector. Retail. Sports and entertainment. Telecommunications. Travel and transportation. Utilities. Wholesale distribution. Line of business. Asset management. Sustainability. Finance. Human resources. Information technology. Manufacturing. Marketing. R&D, engineering. Sales. Service. Sourcing and procurement. Supply chain. Featured solutions. Big data. Customer engagement. Internet of Things. Rapid deployment solutions. Security. Small and medium enterprises. User experience. Products. Business applications. Business suite. CRM. Enterprise asset management. Enterprise resource planning. Financial management. Human capital management. Procurement. Product life cycle management. Supply chain management. Sustainability. Database and technology. Application foundation. Business process management and integration. Cloud computing. Content and collaboration. Database. Data management. Data warehousing. Enterprise information management. In-memory computing, SAP HANA. Mobile. Security. Analytics. Applied analytics. Business intelligence. Data warehousing. Enterprise performance management. Governance, risk, compliance. Predictive analytics. Mobile. Mobile apps. Managed mobility. Mobile platform. Mobile secure. Mobile services. Cloud. Applications. Business networks. Infrastructure. Platform. Social collaboration. SAP partners. SAP partners play an important role in helping organizations to buy, build, implement, service, and support the SAP solution that best fits their unique needs. They help organizations to achieve business goals quickly with better results. Broadly, SAP partners help in solving small and mid-sized business needs, extending SAP solution with custom apps, managing country and language rollouts, buying SAP solutions, SAP support and services. SAP offers a wide range of services to its customers with the help of its 15,000 plus trained and certified consultants with their unparalleled knowledge across 25 distinct industries. SAP provides the following supports and services through its portal. Download SAP software. SAP notes, support patches and upgrades. Knowledge-based articles. Request a developer. Edit system. Managing remote connections. Reporting and tracking a support incident, etc. You can access the SAP support portal at https://support.sap.com/home.html. Log in using your SUSE ID and password and access the support offered by SAP.